Hello and welcome to Excelway 101. In this video series, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to go seamlessly from idea to action with the Excelway platform. Easily set up team brainstorms, project launches, or even virtual town halls to bring your audience's best ideas. Get crystal clear next steps from any meeting and transfer them smoothly to your task management boards. Keep track of all the moving parts in your projects with customizable dashboards and personalized status reports. Achieve all that with a single tool ready to be used by any of your teams. First things first, let's discover the tool that brings your team's work together on Excelway, the project. The project is your team's collaborative workspace. Depending on your own situation and goals, a project can be used to manage your department's workload, a specific program, or work related to a client. In this first video tutorial, you'll learn how to navigate your way around the platform, how to set up your first project, and how to manage its settings. Let's take a quick tour. To access any project, simply browse the menu at the top of your navigation bar. Click the arrow next to the project name and browse through your projects. View your sub-projects by toggling the arrows in the list. Or you can access a project by clicking on See All My Projects at the bottom here. Once the All My Projects page opens, you can use the search field to locate a project, indicate a favorite project to have it within reach, and see at a glance some information about each project in the card visuals. Click on a card to navigate to the project. A project is made of 4 pages. Workshops, to host your collaborative meetings and brainstorming sessions. Boards, to track your task's progress. Documents, a central place for your team's most important files. And About, to share more context and need-to-knows with your team. The Workshops page lists the collaborative work sessions that happened within your project. Search a workshop by typing its name in the search field. Browse the list that includes some important information about each workshop. To access a workshop, click on its name on the list or on the Access button. Once in the workshop, you can go back to the projects pages by clicking the Back button at the top left. The Boards page lists the tasks board of your project. Once again, you can easily search a board by typing its name or description in the search field. The board's cards display the main information about each board, such as the board description or the number of tasks. To access a board, click on the name of the board or click the Access button. Once in the board, you can go back to the projects pages by clicking the Back button at the top left. Now, let's set up your own project. Go to the Projects list by clicking the arrow in the navigation bar next to the project name. Then click New Project. If you are on the page All My Projects, click the button Add Project on the top right. Give your project a name, a description if you like, and an optional image. Then simply invite team members to your project by typing their email and selecting their permissions. If your invitees don't have an Excelway account yet, they will be guided through account creation. If you'd like to create a sub-project, head to the Projects list, hover on the desired project, and click the plus icon that appears. You can update the name, description, and image of your project at any time. Simply click the Settings icon on your project's navigation bar and make the necessary changes. To add or remove team members, click the Invite Members button within the project's navigation bar. You can click Add User and locate the email address of the member you wish to invite. To remove a member from a project, click Remove, located next to the member's email. You've now learned how simple it is to set up a project and a sub-project, add and remove team members, make changes through the settings, and navigate your way around Excelway. In the next video, you'll learn how to create a workshop, and make your meetings more creative and effective. We'll see you there!